Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, that thing over there, where is it over here? I don't know, someplace over there. That's an ice fishing shack. And I'm actually on a river right now, which is frozen because it's obviously winter here in Canada and it gets very cold and you can drive your cars on the ice, which is what everybody's doing behind me. So back there are tons of ice fishing huts and lots of cars, lots of weight. That road behind me, where that car is going, that takes you all the way out on the ice, and you can see that the ice fishing huts just go and go and go and go, and they never end. They go all the way to the mouth of the river, the Ottawa River. So what I'm doing is heading that way. And why am I heading that way towards the huts? Well, I have these filters. Where are they? Can you see it in the picture? These are the Landscape Series filters for the Osmo Pocket. So I've showed these before on the Mavic 2 Pro, and I thought they were really cool. So what they do is they put a gradient filter on the top and then less gradient as it goes down. But you can spin it. You can do the opposite. Make it more gradient on the bottom, less on the top, or more on the side, less on the other side. And the whole reason for that, man, that sun is bright. The whole reason for that is so that when this Osmo, or any camera for that matter, makes an exposure, it always exposes for the brightest thing in the image. Like right now, my huge white head is probably the brightest thing. But if I'm doing landscape photography, that's why they're called Landscape Series, the sky is usually really bright. But it's winter now, so the snow is really bright. But I'm going to go take some pictures down there and put these filters on and just try them out, and we'll see what happens. So let's go try that now. So on the ice, there's a speed limit, and there's also a fee, $5 fee for all visitor vehicles. Good thing I'm walking. So essentially what it is back here, it's pretty much a village on the ice, and everybody has the same thing in common. That is, they come out here, fish, have a few beers, and have a lot of fun. I've got the Osmo over here, and I've got my little GoPro there, and I'm going to pop it on my head because it's on a GoPro hat, and then we're going to try a few filters on the Osmo and see what happens. Let me see if I'm holding that camera up right. All right, here we go. Okay, the Osmo's in photo mode, and I'm going to snap a photo. That was a photo with no filter. There's a photo with filter. So can you see a difference? Photo without filter, photo with filter. Does the sky look a little darker with the photo with filter because it's no longer exposing for the sky, it's exposing for the snow? Well, let's jump it up a bit. So let me take that filter off. All right, I'm gonna take a picture, no filter. There's two people walking, and I'm gonna put a filter on. There we go. And that filter was an ND8 all the way up to a 32. All right, I'm just gonna spin the camera around. There's no filter on it. See it moving nice and slow. And there we go. I'm looking over there, and now I'm going to toss a filter on, and I'm going to put the ND32. It goes from a 32 down to an 8. The sky should get darker. Can you see that? So now that we're looking more at the sky, doesn't that look like that would be a cool picture? And let's see, I'll just move the camera back. There we go. So the sky should look really cool. The higher you go up in the blues, it should look really nice. And if I bring it down, oh, that's going up. Let's bring it down. There we go. All right, a quick comparison test. What is on the Osmo right now is an ND32 all the way down to an ND8. So the top part is a 32 all the way down to an ND8. So you should see a nice dark blue sky. Next, I'm going to put on an ND16 all the way down to an ND4. There we go. Do you see any difference? And now I'm going to put on an ND8 all the way down to a 0, just clear glass at the bottom. There we go. That's an ND8 all the way down to clear glass at the bottom. So you should see the sky getting less and less dark as we go. And the last one is going to be just the Osmo itself. There you go, there's the Osmo by itself, and the sky should look less blue, like not as dark blue, because now the Osmo has to expose for the entire image, vice just the lower portion. And we'll do that test one more time. Here we have the Osmo, there's no filter on it. I'm doing a, looking all the way down to a faraway distance. You see a lot of sky, a lot of snow. Now I'm gonna put the ND8 to 0 on it. There's the ND820. Do you see the sky turning a little bit more blue? Looks pretty nice because as you go up into the sky, it gets a little bluer. So that's why it's landscape. There we go. There's an ND32 all the way down to an ND8. And let me just show you. I'm going to pan up to the sky. And the sky should be looking like dark blue at the top and less blue at the bottom. And if I come back down to the ground, there we go. All right, I'm done here. I've got my little GoPro hat on, and now I'm not going to make my way to the end, but the end is pretty far. Goes all the way down there. Probably goes a good kilometer all the way to the end. So I gotta walk into the sun. Now, because I'm walking into the sun back this way, see if I spin, I've left the filter on. So I have the filter that's gradient. So an ND32 at the top down to an ND8. In a previous video, I showed this was a skating rink, but now look at it. It's just snow everywhere. And well, the goalie net is now part of the ice. This is just like solid ice here. This is what happens. Hey, this is the only thing you can skate on, is this little bit here. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the Osmo Pocket freewell filters, landscape freewell filters. I'm going to put a link below to where you can pick these filters up, and yeah, check them out. Now I got to get going because everybody on the ice is like, what is that guy doing? What is he's talking into some little electric shaver, like woman's leg electric shaver thing. That's my Osmo Pocket. Anyways, guys, take care. Catch you in the next video.